Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change font and display size in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Let's scroll down. Here you can see display and brightness. Press on this. Now in this option, you'll find here font and display size. Click on this. Now in the option of font size, you can increase or decrease your font size. And in the option of display size, you can increase and decrease your display size. That's it. So this is how to change font and display size in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.